back at the start of the year, Unity stock rang in the new year with accelerating volatility and vigor. At first, trading volume surges coincided with an increase in social media mentions, particularly on X, where sentiment about the company was largely positive. The buzz was further amplified into the perfect storm by a post from Roaring Kitty Keith Gill, known for his role in the GameStop trading frenzy, who shared a video featuring Rick James's song, Unity. While the post might not have directly related to Unity, it contributed to amplified speculation and attention, followed by a relatively rapid price rise of almost 100% towards the middle of the year. Taking a closer look at these major moves will involve a closer look at Unity's background and current market position, in addition to notable risks and challenges that are being addressed. Originally founded in Denmark in 2004, Unity has extended far beyond just being a popular engine among indie game development. Its platform has evolved to serve industries from gaming and aerospace to medical and manufacturing, offering two main solution sets: Create Solutions, which provide tools for building, shipping, and running 2D and 3D content, and Grow Solutions, which focus on user acquisition, engagement, and monetization. Unity's strategy consists of increasing its user base by expanding into industries like automotive and retail, and leveraging partnerships with third-party platforms for broader reach. However, it faces significant competition from major players such as Unreal Engine and proprietary engines from large studios. Despite these challenges, Unity aims to stay competitive by focusing on product innovation, cross-platform deployability, and maintaining a strong customer support ecosystem. The company has been restructuring, including a portfolio reset to focus more on its engine and monetization tools, leading to the cancellation of the controversial runtime fee and the introduction of a subscription model for gaming customers. Opportunities from its 2022 merger with ironSource are also being explored, despite possible integration and customer retention challenges. In general, Unity's heavy reliance on the gaming sector poses risks, as the success of their platform is closely tied to the success of games created using it. Moreover, dependence on third-party services add further uncertainty. Despite these risks, Unity's broad customer portfolio and investments in AI, machine learning, and cross-industry expansion position it for future growth. Though profitability is dependent on successfully navigating these hurdles, as evidenced by Toyota choosing Unity to develop the Graphical User Interface, GUI, for Toyota's next-generation human-machine interface, HMI, aiming to enhance the in-car experience. This partnership leverages Unity's real-time 3D technology, which has been refined through its extensive use in the gaming industry. By integrating Unity's tools into Toyota's HMI development pipeline, the collaboration promises improved efficiency, reduced rework, and streamlined data management, resulting in a high-performance GUI. Takashi Imai, chief project leader at Toyota, praised Unity for enabling faster development with its platform, particularly in the complex field of advanced 3D graphics, which requires specialized skills. Unity's technology has allowed Toyota's engineers to create new value and improve development efficiency, leading to better user experiences in Toyota's digital cockpits. Alex Blum, Unity's COO, expressed excitement about partnering with Toyota's engineers to deliver cutting-edge HMI solutions that align with evolving consumer expectations. The collaboration with Toyota also highlights Unity's role in bridging the gap between gaming technology and automotive design, potentially setting a new standard for in-car user interfaces. As well as an important step in diversification beyond gaming, positioning it as a leading player in the automotive sector's digital transformation. However, aside from the aforementioned Unreal Engine, Unity also faces high competition in other applications of GUI, especially after Meta Platforms announced it would replace Unity's engine with its own runtime engine for app development. The announcement was made during Meta's Connect event, where the company also introduced its Meta Ray-Ban display smart glasses, featuring a built-in screen capable of displaying text messages, video calls, turn-by-turn directions, and visual results from Meta's AI service. Meta's decision to develop and use its own runtime engine marks a significant shift away from relying on third-party platforms like Unity. This move could reduce Meta's dependence on Unity, which has been a key player in providing development tools for augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality (VR) applications. Since Unity has been a key player in the AR and VR space, providing tools and engines for developers, Meta's switch to its own platform could impact Unity's market position in the growing AR and VR industry. As the tech landscape shifts, Unity's reliance on external partnerships may face increasing competition from major tech companies, such as Meta, that are developing in-house solutions. That's why the area of advertising will become increasingly vital. In particular, the vector advertising platform enhances Unity's mobile gaming ad business by improving ad targeting using AI and data from its vast network, which reaches 5 billion daily active users, helping Unity capture a larger share of the $100 billion mobile gaming ad market, boosting its high-margin advertising business, offsetting any lost opportunities like the one with Meta. The relatively new vector platform is seen as a key driver for earnings and cash flow, as Unity currently runs 2 ad models that have pressured margins. Once fully operational, Vector is expected to ease this burden, in addition to aiding with the long-term growth potential for Unity beyond gaming, especially in e-commerce advertising, ultimately reducing Unity's reliance on the volatile gaming market and enhance its ad auction competition. Similarly, Unity's game engine's latest version is showing greater adoption with around 40% of customers already upgrading. Prices have also risen for its Pro and Enterprise tiers, which is expected to gradually increase revenue as contracts renew through 2026. Outside of gaming, expansion into non-gaming industries such as automotive, healthcare, and retail have resulted in these non-gaming sectors growing upwards of 50% year-over-year. Overall, Unity has managed to surpass expectations, with total revenue in the past few quarters at or above $400 million. The company also demonstrates robust cash flow, with free cash flow increasing to well over $120 million, as well as maintaining solid cash reserves of $1.7 billion. Looking ahead, CEO Matt Bromberg has expressed confidence in Unity's ability to capitalize on the growing opportunities at the intersection of AI, digital content creation, digital advertising, and interactive entertainment. CFO Jared Yace emphasizes that the company is in the early stages of this journey, highlighting the excitement around Unity's progress, particularly with regards to precise targeting, which has seen Unity select Optable, a leader in identity management and data collaboration, to power its newly launched Audience Hub, which enables brand marketers to create custom audiences of gamers in a privacy-first way. This partnership offers a more precise, secure, and scalable solution for targeting Unity's vast audience of 3 billion gamers, unlocking new opportunities for omnichannel marketing and activation. The collaboration leverages Optable's platform to create an audience mesh that captures Unity's unique player insights while maintaining privacy standards. It integrates data from leading providers like Experian, allowing brands to build high-intent, highly engaged audiences across multiple screens. This approach empowers advertisers with richer engagement and measurement opportunities, while ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Unity's COO, Alex Blum, emphasized that the Audience Hub is designed to help brand marketers fully leverage Unity's massive gamer base, providing a more connected and effective advertising ecosystem. The partnership with Optable is a crucial step in Unity's ongoing efforts to enhance its advertising offerings and create a seamless experience for both marketers and game developers. Additionally, Crystal Jacques from Experian highlighted how Unity's partnership with Optable and Experian's data solutions enables more targeted and impactful advertising, driving better ROI and long-term growth for both advertisers and developers. Optable's platform simplifies identity management, audience building, and data collaboration, empowering media owners and platforms to grow revenue through enhanced audience targeting and monetization strategies. In terms of Unity's game engine, it's undergone improvements in performance, stability, and platform support, while introducing AI-powered workflows to improve developer efficiency, ultimately providing higher frame rates, smoother gameplay, and reduced CPU and GPU load, enhancing device performance. Not to mention expanded platform support, including large and foldable Android screens, MetaQuest, Android XR profiles, instant games, and web GPU for supported browsers. Further Unity 6 updates will integrate AI-driven tools into the Unity editor to automate repetitive tasks and accelerate development. The platform will also incorporate third-party Gen AI solutions to optimize game performance, diagnose issues, and improve player acquisition. Unity's annual gaming report revealed that 96% of developers are incorporating AI tools into their workflows. Multiplayer games remain popular, with 64% of developers working on multiplayer titles, and 62% of developers are focusing on existing games through live operations and content updates to maintain player engagement. Mobile platforms continue to dominate, with 90% of developers launching their latest games on mobile. Unity's push for broad platform accessibility is exemplified by its official support for the Nintendo Switch 2 in Unity 6, providing developers benefits from performance optimization features like the Universal Render Pipeline, URP, and enhanced multiplayer solutions, along with simplifying the process for developers to port existing Nintendo Switch games to the new platform. Speaking of Nintendo, Unity has partnered with Konami to develop Survival Kids as a launch title for the Nintendo Switch 2, built entirely on Unity 6. This marks the first time Unity has designed and developed a game end-to-end with a publisher partner. The collaboration allowed Unity to test and improve its engine performance, ensuring better stability and smoother gameplay for developers. Survival Kids blends classic survival gameplay with modern features, including new co-op mechanics and multiplayer functionality, while staying true to its roots. The game utilizes a variety of Unity's capabilities, from core engine features like URP and netcode, to live services such as Lobby and Relay. The development of Survival Kids has provided valuable insights, helping Unity refine its tools for broader use, ensuring that future games created on Unity 6 will run smoothly across platforms. In terms of AI, Unity formed an AI council to boost product innovation by integrating artificial intelligence expertise with the company's product leadership. The initial members of the council are Jia Li, co-founder and chief AI officer of LiveX AI, and Julian Tegelius, an associate professor at NYU and co-founder of MODL.ai. Unity plans to expand the council with additional members in the coming months. Jali brings significant experience from her time as the founding global head of R&D at Google Cloud AI and as a former Stanford University AI instructor. She is an IEE Fellow and the chairperson of Health Unity Corporation. Julian Tegelius, also an IEE Fellow, specializes in game AI, procedural content generation, and computational creativity. His company, MODL.ai, develops game-playing agents for quality assurance. Unity's CEO, Matt Bromberg, highlighted the transformative role of AI in game creation and its potential to accelerate content development. He stated that the company is focused on providing the best platform for the next era of interactive content creation, spanning mobile, PC, console, and extended reality platforms, leading to persisting optimism about Unity's future growth driven by AI capabilities and its strong presence in multi-platform gaming, especially mobile gaming, along with the immense potential of Vector presenting strong upside potential to gain more ground in advertising. For more on Unity, other companies, and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.